All right, everybody, welcome back to today's episode. I'm gonna do something a little bit different. I haven't ever done it before. We're actually gonna be buffing some paint, and so you're kind of seeing me from the future, I guess you could say. So I've already buffed it. Kind of little. I want to go ahead and just say this before I say anything. This is not a how-to video. I have no clue how to buff paint, so anybody that's gonna be watching this is not a how-to video. If that's what you're hoping this is, you might as well go ahead and click off of it. But this is just me kind of trying it out, seeing how things go, just kind of based off what I've read and what I've learned from other people. So what we're going to be using is everything we use here in this video is going to be Chemical Guys stuff. We got the fine polish, it's just the 38, and then we use the 36. I ended up having a 32, but I ended up running out of the 32. So I just used the 36. I went over it twice. So if you feel like in the video that I went over everything way too many times, it's because I was having to use the 36 twice and then hit it with the fine polish. So it's kind of was inconvenient, but I wouldn't have got the 32 in enough time to get this done in a timely manner. So that's kind of where I'm at with that. I do feel like it turned out really well, especially for my first time. I have no idea what I'm doing. So anybody that's going to comment saying some stuff about me doing something wrong, I'm sure I did plenty wrong. But like I said, I'm just trying to learn and have fun while I'm doing it. So there's kind of all the polish we use. Once we got done polishing it, I'm going to go ahead and hit it with some Hydro Slick. It's ceramic coat. So this is pretty much what I'm going to be using. Once we get done with the polish, and then after the polish, we're going to go over it with the butter wax. Now I think this is the best way to go about it. This is just what I've heard. I honestly have no idea. But everybody that I've read and heard and have told me what to do, this is pretty much what they suggested me use and what to do. So this is pretty much me doing that. In this video, all you're gonna see is me polishing it. You're not gonna see the ceramic coat or the wax put down yet. So you're gonna have to tune in to part 1 or 2 for that. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and quit talking and let you guys enjoy part 1. All right, boys. So there's pretty much the conclusion of part one for you. It took me quite a while to get it polished. A lot of it was just me not having the amount of time that I needed to do it. I was kind of just doing it like an hour and a half or an hour after work before I ended up having to leave and go to the gym. So kind of balancing and juggling a lot of stuff. So it kind of took me a little bit longer than I would have liked, but oh well. I'm not going to show you the results right now. You're going to have to wait till the end of part two to kind of see how it turned out. But for a first time, I think it's all right, especially from where it came from. It actually looks red now. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Like and subscribe if you like. If not, whatever. But yeah, thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one.